Hello everyone, it's Kingdom Silver here, and in today's video we're going to be discussing why I am not currently stacking silver bars. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's get into it. So the other day I had realized I hadn't bought any silver bars in all of 2025. And I think that's the longest in my stacking journey that I've gone without buying any silver bars. I'd have to go back and look, but I believe that's the case. And for me, that's not because I don't like silver bars. In fact, there's quite a few on the screen here. I love this 1 ounce silver bar from our friends at Bullion Exchanges, the Scottsdale Silver, the Proclaim Liberty, and for those that have known me or have known the channel for a while, you know I love Sunshine Minting Silver, and I have quite a few bars of that in my stack. So why would I suddenly stop buying silver bars? So for me, it's twofold, and so for others, there may be different reasons, but here's where I'm at right now. First is that with a lot of the laws that are going on right now in the US, they talk about government entity issued gold and silver in their laws. And so for a lot of people, this, bars that are minted by private mints that aren't issued by a governmental entity, they wouldn't qualify for your debts being paid off, either public or private. Now, a lot of these laws had started gaining momentum about a year or two ago, and I was still stacking silver bars at that time because for the second reason, a lot of them were still at a lower premium cost than what I could get out at other dealers. However, that's really changed, and actually on the screen here, you're going to see some screenshots from some deals that I've been seeing lately, or even just what not a deal, what different bullion companies are selling their bars at as opposed to their coins. And if you're looking at it, for the most part, they're really close in premiums now. They are really stinking close. And to me, that didn't always used to be the case. A lot of times being able to pick up a 10 ounce bar compared to a 1 ounce gold coin, you'd be looking at, a significant price savings. That just doesn't seem to be the case anymore. It seems like the premiums on the private and the government issued silver have really gotten close together. And honestly, I don't know what the reason for that is. If Bullion Exchanges watches this video, or some of the other companies, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to know what's going on. But to me, I'm seeing the premiums, and it's really just so minimal, the difference, that to me, I'd rather have that government issued coin, because I know that government issued coin is going to work better at the state level and with some of these laws that are in place. So and that's actually really influenced my decisions, because as you'll see on the screen here, there's a new product of bars from Frontier Mint that was released through Monument Metals. They've got special intro pricing, and I love the QR code here. I love the serial, that these bars are serial numbered. But for me, when these deals were going on around Memorial Day, I was able to pick up junk silver at spot. I was able to pick up gold at spot. And to me, being able to purchase that as opposed to buying a bar where I'm having to pay, at the lowest $1.55 over spot per ounce, that just doesn't make a lot of sense. So that's where I'm at right now. If the winds change, I'd love to stack more silver bars again. I have nothing against the silver bars. As you can tell, I've got quite a few in my stack, and this isn't even all of them. But for me, it just doesn't make a lot of sense right now to try and stack these if there are more options available. But in the comments, I'd love to hear what you think. Have you slowed down on stacking silver bars? Are you primarily stacking silver bars alone? Let me know. I'd love to interact with you and hear your thoughts on the subject. Without further ado, be blessed. Be a blessing to others. We'll see you later.